Hey Lemonheads, let's get started. Step 1. Running the Google Colab cell. Open the video description and click on the provided Google Colab link. In the Colab notebook, run the first cell and wait for it to finish. Step 2. Obtaining the AI voice model. In the video description, find the second link, which leads to the AI Hub server on Discord. Join the server and navigate to find the AI voice model you want. Copy the download link of the model. Usually it's a mega link or a Google Drive link. Go back to the Google Colab notebook and paste the download link into the second cell and run it. Wait until it's finished. Step 3. Obtaining the acapella. Open your preferred web browser and search for the song you want the AI to cover. In my case, I choose a song from YouTube's audio library.
I know you told your friend you're not okay.
Click on the third link in the description where you can visit x-pro/AI, a website that allows you to isolate instrumentals and vocals from songs for free. Upload your chosen song and let the AI split and isolate the instrumental and vocal tracks. Once the AI has processed the song, download the instrumental and vocal tracks.
I know you told your friend you're not okay.
Step 4. Using RVC AI Voice Changer. Proceed to the third cell in the Google Colab notebook and click on it to run. Look for the message running on public URL and click on the link provided. This will take you to the RVC AI Voice Changer interface. Now just drag your acapella in the box to upload it. Make sure it is fully uploaded. And now you can hit convert.
I know you told your friend.
Click on the 3 dots next to the generated audio file and select download. Here is an extra tip if you want another AI artist to sing the song. Just go to the download model tab and enter the URL to the model and name the model and then hit run. Wait until it says success. And now go back to the inference tab. Click refresh and choose the model. And click convert.
I know it. Yeah, I'm about to fade away.
Step 5. Editing the audio in FL Studio. Open FL Studio and import the original acapella, original instrumental, and the AI-generated/converted acapella. Position the AI acapella beneath the instrumental track to align it accurately using the Events option found near the Snap to Grid feature. Apply desired effects such as EQ, compression, limiter, and reverb to enhance the AI acapella.
Did you feel that way? Guess you try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. I know it, I know it. I know you told your friend you're not okay. Tell me what's wrong, why you. I know you told your friend you're not okay. Tell me what's wrong, why you. I know you told your friend you're not okay. Tell me what's wrong, why you not. I know you told your friend you're not okay. Tell me what's wrong.
Detect any errors in the AI acapella and cut them out if necessary. To avoid clicking sounds, change the declicking mode of the AI acapella from transient, no bleeding, to generic, bleeding. Remove or replace any parts of the AI acapella that don't sound good. You can use the original acapella to fill in those sections. Use the stereo enhancer to make the audio wider if desired.
As you fade, as you fade, as you fade.
Mix all the tracks together to achieve a well-balanced and professional sound.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday.
And now it's your turn.
It's you that it